problem here says, in the given system of equations, p is a constant, right? So p is an actual number, not a variable. There, I guess just there. If the system has no solution, what is the value of p? Okay, so remember, if this is, you have two linear equations, because that has the highest power of 1 on the variables and a highest power of 1 on the variables. So it's better to not solve this on Desmos, just to do it by hand. And when you have two equations, linear equations, and there's no solution means they're parallel, right? This means one solution, they intersect at that point. This means you have one line, and then you have another line on top of that line. That's infinitely many solutions. And then if you have this situation like this, I don't know why I did it like this, but whatever, that's no solutions. And when you have no solutions, that means the slopes are the same. So these guys here have same slopes. Okay, so that means if you have y equals mx plus b, if you have the y equals mx plus b format for one equation, and you have the y equals mx plus b format for the other equation, well, m is our slope, right? So we want these values to be the same. And then you'd have no solutions. You'd have no intersecting points. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to put both equations in y equals mx plus b format. Well, what's weird about this problem is we don't have y, we don't have x, right? So we have r and we have w. Okay, so those are our variables. Well, here's x and here's y. Well, let me do this in red. Normally, they're in alphabetical order. So you have x comes before y in the alphabet, just like you have r comes before w in the alphabet. So r is going to be x and w is going to be y. Okay, so here, let's go ahead and write this as 6 plus 7r, 6 plus 7r equals pw. And should I get the other one ready? We'll go (7r) plus 5w equals 5w plus 11. Okay, so remember we want it as y equals mx plus b. So this value right here, this w, that's her y. That's her y. That's her y. Or that's our y right there, right? That w is our y. So I'm just going to go ahead and flip this around, make this a little bit more user friendly. So I'll put pw equals 7r plus 6. Then over here, I'm just going to completely flip this thing because I don't want to have a negative value right there. So I'll go 5w plus 11 equals 7r minus 5w. Okay, so over here, I'm going to just divide by p, divide by p, divide by p. All right, so I have my first equation, which is w equals 7 over pr plus 6 over p. Then my second equation, I'm going to just add 5w to both sides. Put like a little divider here. All right, then we're going to have 10w plus 11 equals 7r. So I'm going to go minus 11, minus 11. All right, and running out of room, we're going to have, that's gone, 10w equals 7r minus 11. Okay, so now we have our, basically our new like y equals mx plus b equations. All right, let me just move this up a little bit. Okay, so we're going to put them on top of each other. So we have this one here, right? W equals 7 over PR plus 6 over P. And then the other one, oh wait, I didn't divide by 10 over here. divide by 10, divide by 10, divide by 10. So this one is W equals 7 over 10R minus, 7 over 10R minus 11 over 10. Then over here, W equals 7 over 10R minus 11 over 10. Okay, so our slopes are these m values. This is our m, just like right here. So if we can set those equal to each other, we have no solution. Great, so we'll do 7 over p equals 7 over 10. We can go ahead and cross multiply. So p times 7 is 7p, and 7 times 10 is 70. Divided by 7, divided by 7, and we have p equals 10. And that's our answer.